What's going on, YouTube? Huh? What's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Every time, man, we've been doing. I'm trolling, but what's going on, YouTube, for real, man? We is doing another POV, man. I know y'all probably been missing the POVs. I'm talking shit. The same amount of POV. Well, more POVs is dropping this month than the usual months. As y'all can tell, I've been dropping every fucking day of December. They're trying to hit this motherfucking 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate it if y'all can literally tell a friend and they friend and for they friend to fucking subscribe to the channel, man. I really motherfucking appreciate it, y'all. I'm really trying to hit this 1K right now. By the time it hits midnight on January 1st, New Year's started, I would love to be at motherfucking 1,000 subscribers on this channel. But you feel what I'm saying? It's really up to God. You feel what I'm saying? Because I'm going to keep working hard, keep working my ass off, posting every day, posting multiple shorts a day. And if God wants to give it to me by that time that I want to get it by, he'll give it to me. Other than that, man, otherwise, you feel what I'm saying? We're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep working until we hit that shit. I kind of regret going this way already because now that I'm realizing it is fucking 5 o'clock and there's going to be a bunch of fucking traffic. Just realized. So, yeah. And POVs, it's going to get a little bit harder because I'm in Chicago, man. And it's been snowing and shit like crazy, y'all. It's been snowing like fucking crazy. Whoa, this bus is rolling, G. So I gotta wait on this motherfucker to turn. I'm already regretting going this way. Hurry up and turn so I can get across the intersection. There we go. Now I'm gonna be able to get across the intersection, no problem. Look at that, man. Y'all hear that motherfucker, G? It's not in sport mode either, gang. Y'all hear that motherfucker trying to go fast? That bitch don't sound like that, but that bitch is making a little noise. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, the main goal of this month is really just to be consistent enough so I can try to hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, I'll wake up and be like, can I hit 1,000 subscribers? When I'm eating, I'm trying to be like, what can I do to hit 1K? When I'm sleeping, I'm dreaming about 1K. So please fucking subscribe, y'all. I would literally fucking cry if I hit 1K on this channel by January 1st at midnight, man. So I've been appreciating everybody that's been showing support on all the fucking videos, man. We've been doing great. We've been doing good, man. We had a wonderful year, man. This is one of my best years on YouTube in a while. With all things considered, everything I've been through in my life, man. So I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah. But I'm on the way to Target right now to pick something up for myself. Damn, who shit that is? Is that this Audi or something right here? That's what I'm assuming. He over revving his shit and could barely hear it. You know, I'm hating. But yeah, how y'all been, man? I think it's a car in front of us. Definitely a car in front of us. Woo. I haven't been driving my car like that recently either, man, because I just been in the crib. So it feel good right now to be driving my car, man, no bad. I got some more carbon fiber pieces coming in for my car, so y'all should be getting that video of the full details of that shit. Hopefully, by the time it's supposed to drop, the whole car is done. Shit, I'm going through that shit, I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, man, we living good, man. We've been going through shit, you feel what I'm saying? But you stay positive, you keep working, and the work gonna motherfucking show, man. The work is going to show. You feel what I'm saying? Keep your head up, keep positive thoughts in your head, you keep praying, and everything will be cool, man. No bet, man. It's the only thing that's been getting me through everything I've been going through this past month is just positive thinking and praying to God, man. Because God is not going to give you something you can't handle, man. Real talk. So I'm going to pick this camera back up once, you feel what I'm saying, I get back driving on the road. I'll see y'all in like 2.3 seconds. I lied to y'all. I'm actually going to give y'all a simple, sweet, short POV today, man. Because I want to listen to music on my way home. So, I haven't been in my car in a while, so I want to spend some time with my beautiful Chrysler 300, man. We do got more POVs on the way. A lot more content's been dropping every day, like I said, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If y'all want to see some more content, go watch that shit. We also need some more watch time. But the most important thing right now is the subscribers. The watch time, I'm not really worried about. We kind of real close on the watch time. But the subscribers, that subscriber goal, it means a lot to me. So, subscribe to the channel on the road to 1,000 subscribers, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye.